Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay from the Ada Community Libraries. Thanks for joining me for Preschool Art today. I have a fun monster craft for us to do today. So we are going to need a toilet paper roll, some paint, some paper, glue, markers, basically whatever crafts you can find, we are going to use those. So to start out, we are going to take our toilet paper roll and paint it. Just go all the way around. You may want to get inside the roll. You can use a couple different colors. You can use one color, whatever you feel like doing. You may need a couple of coats, maybe just one coat will work. Kind of depends on your paint. All right. So you'll need to let that dry for a few minutes before you get to work on your monster. I painted this one earlier, so it's all dry. So I'll go ahead and start working on this one. So I have some strips of paper here that I'm going to use and glue on the inside as the hair or the fur on my monster. Take some glue. Okay. So now that I have all of my hair on the top, I'm going to add some googly eyes. You can find googly eyes at the dollar store, or you can just use some paper, or you can use your marker to make your own eyes, whatever you have on hand. Stick that to the front there. Then I'm going to use my marker to give my monster a mouth. I'm just going to use this Sharpie. Okay, and then feel free to add tape. You can wrap it in tape or yarn. If you have some ribbon, you can use some ribbon. Get creative with it and see what kind of a monster you can make. So this is what I turned up with. Go ahead and experiment with different colors, different expressions, different styles of paper, and have fun. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and we hope to see you at the library soon. Bye.